Welcome to Strategy Automation Demo Center. Strategy Automation is pleased to present Rack and Pinion. Using a servo motor and drive, it converts rotary motion into linear motion, enabling smooth, accurate and timed movement between positions. This setup is commonly used in gantry systems across various industrial applications. With this kit, you'll learn how to control motion using a servo, understand rotary to linear conversion and get hands-on experience with PLC programming, HMI screen design and wiring, giving you a strong foundation in industrial automation. Strategy Automation is pleased to present Ball Screw Demo Kit, a complete hands-on learning system for automation and control. Students can practice PLC programming, HMI design, sensor integration, real-time motor control from drives, sensor wiring and PLC and drive wiring all in one setup. They'll learn to run motors in different modes using timers, counters and logic, just like in industrial systems. Strategy Automation is pleased to present Labeling Demo Kit, designed to simulate industry-grade labeling systems right in the classroom. From sensor-based detection to precise motor control and label application, students build logic that mirrors factory processes. They'll wire components, program PLCs and HMIs and run complete labeling sequences on a conveyor setup. Train your students to automate labeling with accuracy and efficiency just like real production lines. Strategy Automation is pleased to present Speed Control Demo Kit. Teach the fundamentals of motor speed control with our Speed Control Demo Kit built around VFD-based induction motor control. Students will wire single-phase and three-phase supplies, connect capacitors and control the VFD using PLC logic. From basic wiring to setting parameters and creating start-stop speed functions, this kit covers it all. It's a hands-on introduction to modern industrial motor control. Strategy Automation is pleased to present Sensor Demo Kit, designed to explore a wide range of sensors in action from proximity and photoelectric to capacitive and inductive sensors. Students learn how to detect objects, measure distance and trigger automation logic with precision. This kit builds core sensor knowledge for automation, robotics and control systems. Strategy Automation is pleased to present XY Position Table Demo Kit. Bring precision motion control to the classroom with our XY Positioning Table, a compact pick-and-place training system. Students program X and Y axis movements using PLC logic and coordinate control to simulate industrial automation tasks. From sensor feedback to motion sequences, this kit offers hands-on experience in real-world positioning and object handling. Colleges looking to offer industry-relevant training, contact us today to bring this smart solution to your classroom.